In this video, we delve into how autonomous AI agents are transforming 5 key industries, enhancing efficiency and fostering innovation. You'll learn about the groundbreaking changes in healthcare, finance, manufacturing, retail, and transportation.
Did you know that autonomous AI agents are at the forefront of revolutionizing industries at an unprecedented pace? From healthcare to transportation, these intelligent systems are reshaping how businesses operate, driving efficiency, and fostering innovation. Today, we'll explore the top 5 industries being transformed by AI, offering you insights into how this technology could reshape the future of work and industry growth. Autonomous AI agents are sophisticated systems designed to operate independently, making decisions and performing tasks without human intervention. These agents use machine learning algorithms and vast datasets to analyze information and optimize outcomes. Their integration into industries enhances decision-making processes, leading to increased productivity and innovation. As these systems continue to evolve, their potential to revolutionize various sectors becomes increasingly evident.
In healthcare, autonomous AI agents are pivotal in advancing diagnostics and patient care. AI algorithms analyze medical data to provide accurate diagnostics, while AI-driven tools predict disease outbreaks, enabling proactive measures. Robotics in surgery enhances precision, reducing recovery times and improving outcomes. These advancements not only optimize patient care but also promise a future where healthcare is more accessible and efficient. In the financial sector, AI agents are transforming trading and fraud detection. By analyzing real-time data, AI systems execute trades with precision, optimizing returns. They also enhance fraud detection by identifying suspicious patterns, safeguarding assets. AI is furthering financial advisories, offering personalized insights based on data-driven analysis. These innovations are setting new standards for efficiency and security in financial services. AI-driven automation is a game-changer in manufacturing. These systems streamline production processes, ensuring consistency and quality control. Predictive maintenance powered by AI reduces downtime, while optimized supply chains enhance efficiency. As AI continues to evolve, the future of manufacturing promises increased productivity and innovation, leading to sustainable growth.
In retail, AI is revolutionizing the shopping experience by offering personalized recommendations and enhancing customer service. AI systems analyze consumer behavior, enabling retailers to tailor offerings to individual preferences. Improved inventory management and predictive analytics optimize operations, driving sales and customer satisfaction. These advancements are redefining retail, making shopping more convenient and engaging.
Transportation is undergoing a transformation with autonomous vehicles and AI-driven route optimization. Self-driving cars promise to enhance safety and efficiency, while route optimization technologies reduce travel times and costs. AI's role in logistics streamlines supply chains, and its environmental benefits include reduced emissions. As the sector evolves, transportation is set to become safer, more efficient, and sustainable. AI is pivotal in promoting sustainable practices in the energy sector. By optimizing energy consumption and integrating renewable sources, AI enhances sustainability. Grid optimization and predictive analytics improve efficiency, ensuring reliable energy distribution. These advancements are critical as the world seeks cleaner, more sustainable energy solutions for the future.
Looking ahead, AI is poised to redefine industries, driving innovation and efficiency. While challenges such as ethical considerations and workforce impacts loom, the opportunities for growth and improvement are immense. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to transform job markets and industrial landscapes, fostering a new era of productivity and innovation.
As we conclude, it's evident that autonomous AI agents are pivotal in transforming industries. Their ability to drive efficiency and foster innovation is reshaping the future of work. We encourage you to dive deeper into this fascinating subject, engage with our community, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of AI.